Let's have a look. You can see, it keeps the same character from the reference image with the movement of the reference video. That's really great. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. If you are enjoying the video and found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now the question is how we can generate a VFX-like video, as I have shown at the start of the video. For example, I want to change the character from this video. First of all, take a screenshot of any part of the video. After taking the screenshot, come to the Viggle AI Discord server. Type / in the text box and select the /Stylize app. Now upload the screenshot image here. After uploading the image, enter the prompt about your desired character. And then hit the enter button. After some time, Viggle AI will generate 4 images for you. Now, if you don't like the images, click on the regenerate icon from here. To upscale any image, click on the P button with the associated image number.